Steve here with the 𝗟𝗘𝗢𝗧.com, the channel where we help cleaning business owners scale their businesses with systems, controls, tools, and resources. Formula number 2. Now in my previous video I went through the pricing code formula number 1. These formulas that I'm doing is a series of 4 videos, and I'm giving you formulas that you can use so you can arrive at a price point for any job that you're doing. Doesn't matter if it's a recurring clean, doesn't matter if it's a one-time job, doesn't matter if it's post-construction cleanup, carpet cleaning, doesn't matter. But that's what you can use these formulas for. And they're very, very important to arrive at your price point. The next step in that is that you have to figure out what your profit's going to be, and we'll cover that later. But anyway, in this formula, in number 2, we have HPC times SPW times WPY divided by MPY equals MPM times HR equals MB. Okay, what does that all mean? So what we're doing is that the WPC is hours per clean, and then our SPW is service per week, and then we have our WPY, that's our weeks per year, and then we have HPY, that's our hours per year, and then we have HPM, which is hours per month, and then we have HR, which is hourly rate, and then we have MB, that's our monthly billing. So for a next example, what we're going to do is we're going to use the 4.69 hours per clean multiplied by 3 times per week. That's our services per week. That equals 14.07 hours per week. Okay? Now what you do is you take that and you multiply that by 52 times a year. And that's going to be your hours per month, which is 731.64. Then you divide that by 6 months, and you get your total of 60.97 hours per month. Once you have your hours per month, all you do is you just take your billable rate, your hourly rate, and you multiply it. So you got 60.97 multiplied by $25 per hour for this example equals $1,524.25. That's your monthly billing. So that's how you arrive at that price, using this formula. This is a very, very good formula for that. You just use this here to arrive at any price point that you want. The thing is that with this formula, you're covering all the days of the month. Some people, what they'll do is that they'll take their service per week, multiply it by 4, thinking that that's going to cover the entire month. No, it doesn't. That has to be a 4.33. Now I know a lot of people don't like all these numbers, but if you don't know these numbers, then you're not pricing correctly. So that's why these formulas are so important, and that's why I'm sharing them with you. So again, that's how you would arrive at a price point in this, using this formula. Again, it's a sure-proof way of knowing that you've got all your hours covered for the entire month and for the entire year, and it's a big win. So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, feel free to comment and share the video. And if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe, and make sure you turn on those bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos for building a successful cleaning business. So thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.